Assalamu alaikum dear Kipsians, how are you all? I hope you're all fine and enjoying good health staying at home. I very positively hope that you are taking all the precautionary measures to stay safe from the pandemic. I'm Lieutenant Fatehina Khalil. I'm Principal KIPS School Model Campus. For the next few minutes, I shall be speaking to you to help you develop better understanding of KIPS School Online Learning Program Phase 2. But before that, I would like to take the opportunity to acknowledge and appreciate the efforts of our beloved teachers who worked under unusual circumstances just to keep the learning and academic process of the students going during Phase 1 of KIPS School Online Learning Program. At the same time, the trust and confidence exhibited by the parents means a lot, and KIPS School feels honored. Talking about KIPS School Online Learning Program Phase 2. Phase 2 is different from Phase 1 in 3 different aspects. Number 1, Phase 2 offers complete course coverage plan. Secondly, it is supported by tutorial videos made by subject teachers. And lastly, this phase is to be followed by assessment, that is round 1. To start with the KSOLP Phase 2, it is actually very important for you to get the summer vacation task SVT of your child from the campus. Because basically SVT is a document which is providing us complete outline of the syllabus to be covered before round 1. Moreover, schedule of tutorial videos is also mentioned in the SVT. Now SVT is a document which is providing us the day-wise breakdown of the assignments to be done by the students, and the tutorial videos are going to be uploaded on the Google Classroom as per the shared schedule. Here I would like to share the timeline of the different activities of KSOLP Phase 2. The course will be covered from 8 June till 8 July. Before the start of round 1, there will be a dedicated revision and rectification week for the students, where the students will be revising the covered syllabus and they will be getting the mistakes rectified. After the revision and rectification week, round 1 will start on 15th of July. The details of the revision and rectification week as well as of the assessments, that is round 1, will be shared with you in the upcoming videos. Please take note that assignments related to Leader in Me and Research and Innovation Day have not been made a part of the summer vacation task. However, they will be directly uploaded on the Google Classrooms as per schedule. All the subject teachers will remain available online from 9 AM till 2 PM to address any issue or query made by the students. The mode of checking during Phase 2 of KSOLP will remain the same as it was in KSOLP Phase 1. That is, the students will be attempting their assignments and they will be uploading the assignments in the Google Classroom to be checked by the teachers. Dear parents, to stay connected with you and to keep you informed, we have started with a series of KSOLP updates and alerts, through which you will be kept informed and updated about the new information as well as about the important happenings. Please stay confident and comfortable, as in addition to the availability of subject teachers and academic coordinators, whole KIPS school team is at your service. You can talk to us in the campuses, you can talk to us through the telephone calls, through WhatsApp messages, through the Google Classroom as well as through the social media. Let's join hands together to accomplish the mission of KIPS school during this pandemic. Rukna nahi, badhna hai, padhna hai. Thank you very much for your patient listening. In the end, I pray that we keep contributing positively to the lives of our beloved students. Stay home, stay safe. I thank you all.
KIPS School, the foundation for life.